So this is really quick and really easy to do. If you want to disable the daytime running lights on your CX5, all that's involved is removing a relay. So you pop off the fuse cover, you look at the back of it, and or the other side, see there is DRL, which is this little guy right here. Pop that guy out. That disables the daytime running lights. But what you're going to lose with the daytime running lights is the halo LED ring around the headlights will not illuminate. It will illuminate when the lights are on, but once you disable the daytime running lights by pulling out the relay, they will not light up. That's a bit of a bummer, but that's one of the choices. If you don't want to have your headlights on 24/7 when you're driving the car, this is the only option. There is the option with the 2013 manual that shows you the trick that you have to do, the wiper stalk and all that stuff that might disable it. But there's not a lot of luck with people doing it on newer vehicles. This is a 2021 and a half, I suppose, version of the CX5. And it's not a lot of people that have had success. The people that have had success, they disable it once, they restart the car, and it's back on. So take it with a grain of salt. If you don't want to have your headlights on 24/7 and you're willing to lose the LED halo lights that we have, this is an option. The other option is you can turn on the parking lights, and that's always there, but your taillights are going to be on too. So really quick tutorial. Super easy. It takes all of 2 seconds. The amount of time I spent explaining this, you'll be done. And if you hate it, you can put it back in. Also be done.